Showed you a little bit of this garden that we did, or I did, we did today. I started it, it's finished now, and a couple of those are blueberries, a couple ornamental grasses, there's another berry, and that's an apple tree. Yeah, so that's pretty nice. We mulched it out with the black mulch and tried to do the best. I know I should have put the landscaping. Could put the landscaping material down, but it's just a quick fix. I also bought this palm. It's a larger palm. It's a nice palm. It was under $100, so not bad, and really planted up nice. I like it. Yeah. It's really nice. Cool. Yeah, I just, and we also did up the old palm. The base of the tree still needs work. We're going to be planting some other stuff. We're preparing our yard for guests, like 23 people, so. And then we're going to make it this. We got to do too still, but our cat, Mr Jinx, the black cat, he got killed by a car too, out in front of my house. I saw on my social media for Creekers Neighborhood Watch that there's a dead black cat out on Beaver Creek Road, and I all of a sudden seen a lady come in and pick up the cat and put him in my at the edge of the road there in my driveway. And so I went down, and sure enough, there's our black cat, Mr Jinx. He's dead now too. And where the paw is, we put Rocko's ashes, the rest of his ashes in there. So yeah, and made a little garden for them today. Nothing really in there. There's some lights, and we'll probably put some other plants in when we get them. But yeah, so Rocko's ashes and Mr Jinx, they were pals actually, those two. They really liked each other, which was cool. They wrestled together all the time. Yeah, in the gnome village, it needs work. I pulled all the daisies out of there today, and some of these old birdhouses are roached, man. Oh, no, it's okay. It's okay. Yeah. Yeah, so. Hey. Hey. Come on. Oh. All right. Yep, so I really like palm trees. And that's going to be a nice one. I know there's the only fruit I say a palm tree produces is vanity. A vanity fruit. But it's starting to clean up and look nicer, I think. Have a lot of work to do, and I'll be cutting the grass again soon, I guess. Come on, let's go up here. Oh, it's nice up here. Real. There he is. Real boy. Hey, over here. It's lovely, eh? Nice. I like it out there. Old tree down there. Yeah, it's like... Okay, guys. Let's go. Rip. Good boy. Good girl. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Yeah. You know, old Poots the cat even kind of forgot to feed her a couple times. I think she was around last night though, but because all the cat food was gone this morning, but maybe that was from... Leave it! Fucking disgusting. Pig. Leave it! Jesus. Man, do they ever not listen? Hey, you know, like, holy shit, they drive you nuts. There's Royal. He's a cool guy, always waiting for us. Leave him alone. He's our friend. Yeah, so gotta make it nice back here. Gonna make it redneck, so yeah, some bales of hay probably. Oh yeah. Yeah, we gotta clean this gnome village up. But yeah, got a cord of wood yesterday. Got it all in here. Pretty nice, man. Nice wood. Yeah. It's from a guy's tree he had down at his place. I had to fill my minivan twice with it. But got it done. So hey. Well, but yeah. There's Royal over there too. Yeah. They poo everywhere here. That's where I had the cat laid dead there. It's okay. There's probably blood on the ground there. But anyway, there's a nice robin. It's beautiful out tonight. Sure is lovely. Yeah. Come on. Nope. Come on. Get out of there. There's another rock we could use. There's a stump too. Oh. I need a rock. Yeah, I should do that one too, I guess. Hey, come on, Riv. I put out some of the, just whatever. I had them all over the floor, so I just threw them out on the back steps here. Hey, River. Look how big she is now. Yeah. Look at that. The wind blew that thing upside down, but I will get it fixed up. We worked on getting that cap area today and get Rocko Boys ashes in the ground too. Yeah. Those dogs, that pups, they seem like they're constantly in trouble. Or something or the other. Look at him. Biting her tail. That's all they ever do. Is wrestle and fight and play and run around like fools. I was doing a cord of wood there like I showed you the wood yesterday. Hey! Hey! Good. Stay here. It's okay. It's okay. Good boy. Good boy. Good listening. Good girl. Good Zoe. Yep. But I was doing a cord of wood and they knocked me clean off my feet yesterday. Running at Mach 1. Now he goes in there. Hey, real. But the door's open. When I want him to go in there, sometimes he doesn't want to go in there. I have to pick him up and carry him in. They're funny, these dogs. Like, it's like a psychology. Trying to figure out what they're all about all the time, you know. Hey, real. What are you all about? There's Royal. He's all about getting some of that